Hello and welcome to Garage Door Guidance. In today's video I just want to go over how to replace the weather seal or the weather strip on the bottom of your garage door. Most of the weather stripping is replaced the same and I'll go over how to do this today. I've just got this T-seal here and that's the one we're working with today. I'll put a link down in the description for these universal T-seal weather strips, and I'll also put the other more common ones that I run into. So I'm working with a Clopay garage door. Again, this has got the T-seal and I've just got the door positioned about maybe 3/4 of the way up. So on the Clopay, especially if it's a newer Clopay door, they always have this little set screw somewhere. That's kind of holding the rubber in place. Some of the older ones, they'll have this end crimped in order to prevent the rubber from shrinking in. So instead of a set screw, if your retainer is crimped, I usually just use the flathead to uncrimp it. In my case, I have the set screws kind of holding the rubber in place, so I'll just go ahead and unscrew that. So I'm on the left side here, I've got one more set screw. So both of my set screws are free. Like I said, if your retainer is crimped on the ends, you just gotta uncrimp it, and your rubber weather seal should be free at this point. Removing the rubber is fairly easy, even with just one person here. All you do is you just grab it and just slide it out, just like that. If you have an extra hand, this would be the time to use them. As one person is feeding the rubber in on one end, you get another person kind of pulling that all the way down to the end. Take your new weather rubber stripping and you just feed one side in. Doesn't matter which. Kind of fold it up in a little U shape, feed it into the other channel. Once you have that into both of those channels here, again, it's a lot easier if you have a helping hand to do this, but if you are just by yourself, I just take it real slow and you feed it maybe about a foot, 1 foot by 1 foot. So you feed it and pull simultaneously. And that's pretty much it. So that's all my excess right here. So right there you can see I've reached the end. You could push it out a little further and just trim it, just so you have a little bit of extra back there. From here, all you gotta do is crimp the end right there or just put your set screw back. So same thing, once you're done here, just trim it, maybe about the length of the track here. Put your set screw back in place or crimp it and you are good to go. Hope that was helpful. If it was, hit that like button and subscribe. If you do have questions, throw it in the comments. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as possible. And of course, if you guys have video requests on certain repairs or certain parts, please do leave that in the comments below. I will try to make those videos as well. Thanks so much for watching the video. We'll see you guys next time.